Visuals coming in after the chaos in the UP Assembly where the BSP MLA staged a walkout. Let's try and listen in to what is being said there.
प्रदेश जंगल राज में तब्दील हो गया है। गुंडे, माफिया, अपराधी बेखौफ कानून की धज्जियां उड़ा रहे हैं और बड़े पैमाने पर अपराध बेतहाशा बढ़े हैं। दुराचार, बलात्कार, हत्या, बैंक डकैती, अपहरण, फिरौती, गरीबों की जमीनों पर अवैध कब्जे तथा इसके साथ ही अराजकता का जो माहौल है उसको देखते हुए हमने 311 के अंतर्गत सूचना दिया था और चूंकि आज सत्ता पक्ष के इशारे पर वो सूचना ग्राह्य नहीं की गई, इसलिए हमने सदन से इस मुद्दे पर बहिर्गमन करने का काम किया है। चूंकि आज चरमराई कानून व्यवस्था से पूरे प्रदेश की जनता बेहाल है, गुंडे, माफिया, अपराधी मस्त हैं और प्रदेश की जनता त्रस्त है। इस मुद्दे पर हमने बहिर्गमन किया है। गन्ना किसानों पर तो दोहरी मार पड़ रही है। अभी विगत वर्ष का उनका बकाया भुगतान चीनी मिल मालिकों के द्वारा नहीं किया गया। आज भी 2300 करोड़ रुपया गन्ना किसानों का चीनी मिल मालिकों पर बाकी है। माननीय उच्च न्यायालय, सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के आदेश के बावजूद भी यह निकम्मी सरकार आज तक उसका भुगतान सुनिश्चित नहीं करा सकी। वहीं पर यह ऐसी किसान विरोधी पहली सरकार है जिसने लगातार 3 सालों से गन्ना की कीमतों।
So let's get in more details from Pranshu. Pranshu, what really happened and what about the timing of these protests which seem to have again broken out in the UP Assembly?
Well, see, the entire protest was not expected because today was the day one of the winter session of UP Vidhan Sabha, and it was expected that both the BJP and the BSP in particular would be raising certain issues on the floor of the House. And as soon as the House commenced at around 11, the BJP and BSP and the RLD members were quick to rush into the middle of the House. Flags shown, the protest, the cards were displayed and slogans were raised in the middle of the House, demanding immediate discussion on several issues like law and order issue, cane prices for the farmers, and also the rampant power crisis in the state. So clearly all these were the issues on which opposition wanted an immediate discussion while the government wanted the normal proceedings to be conducted. When the solution didn't come, all the MLAs sat on a dharna inside the middle of the House, after which the House has been adjourned for 10 minutes. But even now, both the BSP and the BJP members continue to protest inside the House and are presently sitting on a dharna in the well of the House.
And you know, Aditya, even though this chaos was ensuing, where was the Chief Minister? Did you get to hear from him?
Well, Chief Minister and also other senior ministers, including Azam Khan, they were inside the House, and this entire chaos, entire pandemonium inside the House started. Akhilesh was of course silent, but Azam Khan was quick to respond. He was accusing the BJP and the BSP of trying to play politics by disturbing the House on day one.